What should I do if my iPhone photos have disappeared?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're tackling an issue that many iPhone users have experienced at some point: disappearing photos. Don't panic. There are several solutions to this problem, and we'll go through each one, step by step.
Are the photos really gone?
First things first, let's make sure the photos are actually missing. Sometimes, they might just be hidden. Check the Hidden album. Go to the Photos app, tap on Albums, scroll down, and look for an album titled Hidden. Any photos in here won't show up in your regular library. Check Recently Deleted album. Photos that have been deleted are kept in the Recently Deleted album for 30 days. Go to Albums again and scroll down to find this album.
Have you tried turning it off and on?
It might sound cliché, but sometimes a simple restart can resolve software glitches that could be causing the issue. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider, then wait for 30 seconds to turn your device back on.
Is your iCloud syncing correctly?
If you're using iCloud to sync your photos, there might be an issue with the sync process. Check your iCloud settings. Go to Settings greater than Your Name, greater than iCloud greater than Photos. Make sure iCloud Photos is turned on. Sign out and back into iCloud. Go to Settings greater than Your Name, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Then, sign back in and check if your photos are back.
Do you have a backup?
If your photos are still missing, restoring them from a backup is another solution. Restore from iCloud Backup. Go to Settings, General, Reset, then tap Erase All Content and Settings. Follow the steps until you see the Apps and Data screen, then tap Restore from iCloud Backup. Restore from iTunes Backup. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open iTunes or Finder on macOS Catalina or later, select your iPhone, click Restore Backup, choose the most relevant backup, and click Restore. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you recover your disappeared iPhone photos. Remember, regularly backing up your iPhone is the best way to ensure your precious moments are safe. See you in the next video.